Every day, organizations are striving to create perfect places. We understand that there are numerous challenges that may arise from achieving this goal. From meeting customer and staff expectations, managing operating costs, ensuring safety and security of people and assets, or achieving demanding sustainability targets. But our world is evolving, and advancements in technologies bring new opportunities to overcome these challenges and gain efficiencies. The building industry alone is undergoing a major transformation. Buildings are talking and generating massive amounts of data. At Siemens, we support our customers with the digital transformation of their buildings through our combination of people expertise, technology, and services.
Good morning everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you all to this session on digital strategy for Sri Lankan enterprises, but with a special focus on Commercial Bank PLC. In today's business world, digital transformation don't just survive, but they thrive. And when it comes to banking, digitalization isn't just a trend, but it's a game changer. Before we dive into this session, let's take a moment to introduce our talented team behind this session. Let's start with the big picture. Why digitalization is essential for commercial bank right now.
When we talk about business context analysis of the Commercial Bank of Ceylon PLC, focusing on Sri Lanka's economic, technological and regulatory landscape, along with the challenges and opportunities in digitalization. In economic landscape, Sri Lanka faced several economic crises in 2022 and is now recovering. The economy grew by 5% in 2024. Inflation is stable, but high debt levels remain a challenge. On the technology front, mobile and broadband usage is widespread, with 4G coverage expanding across the country. The IT and software development sector is growing rapidly, with many companies contributing to technical advancement. Digital payments are becoming the norm, with platforms like Taros, Picme, Uber gaining popularity. Additionally, AI technology is advancing in finance, healthcare, and customer service. Regulatory bodies like the Central Bank of Sri Lanka oversee financial policies, while cybersecurity laws and fintech regulation ensure data protection in digital banking. Now, let's talk about the challenges in digitalization. While digitalization offers many benefits, the bank faces several challenges. The first one is digital literacy gaps and infrastructure issues. Many customers, especially seniors and those in rural areas, are unfamiliar with digital banking. The second factor is about data privacy and security. Maintaining customer trust by ensuring secure digital transaction is a key challenge. Despite these challenges, there are significant opportunities. The first one is about enhancing customer convenience. 24/7 digital banking services allow customers to access financial services anytime at anywhere. Improving efficiency, AI-powered automation can reduce manual processes and speed up banking operation. The third factor is about expanding the market. Digitalization enables the bank to reach new customers and enter untapped markets, increasing competitiveness. The fourth one is about product innovations. The bank has introduced AI-powered chatbots, mobile banking, and contactless payment solutions, keeping up with global trends. While the Commercial Bank of Ceylon PLC faces challenges in digital literacy, security and workforce adoption, it also has tremendous opportunities to grow through customer convenience, AI-driven efficiency, market expansion, and product innovation. By embracing digital transformation, the commercial bank can strengthen its position as a market leader in Sri Lanka's evolving financial sector.
That makes sense. But how do we figure out where commercial bank stands in this journey?
I will be presenting the digital maturity assessment of the commercial bank, focusing on its current digital status, strengths, and the roadmap to achieving a higher level of digital maturity. In first, I am going to talk about current digital maturity level. Commercial Bank is recognized as a leader in digital banking in Sri Lanka. Using models like the Deloitte Digital Maturity Model and the Capgemini and MIT Digital Maturity Model, the bank is currently at the maturity stage. It has successfully introduced digital services such as Combank Digital, AI-driven fraud detections, and mobile banking. However, there is still room for improvement, especially in automation, security, and employee digital adoption. Then let's talk about strengths in digital transformation. The bank's key strengths include first one is customer centric digital services. The Combank digital platform allows real time transactions, digital lending, and bill payment. Second one is AI based fraud detection, real time monitoring, enhanced security. Third one is mobile first banking. Fourth one is efficient transaction processing, handling millions of transactions with electronic fund transfers. However, digital adoptions by employees remains a challenge, and the bank can improve by integrating AI driven customer support tools like chatbots. Let's talk about target digital maturity level of commercial bank. To move to the optimized or advanced stage, the bank should focus on some strategies. First one is AI powered customer support for real time assistance. And second one is stronger cybersecurity measures such as biometric authentication. Third one is cloud computing to enhance efficiency in processing transactions. Fourth one is blockchain technology for secure and transparent payments. Fifth one is employee training programs to develop digital skills. Fifth one is employee training programs to develop digital skills. By implementing these strategies, commercial bank can transition into a fully digital and future ready financial institution. In conclusion, while the bank has made great strides to digital transformation, further advancement in AI, security, and employee upskilling will help to achieve the highest level to digital maturity. Thank you.
Interesting. But digital transformation isn't about technology, right? What about people involved?
Absolutely. I'll provide an overview of our stakeholder analysis for the commercial bank's digital transformation effort. The goal is to identify the key internal and external groups involved in the transformation, assess how they will be impacted, and understand how they can contribute to its success. We have divided stakeholders into two categories, internal and external. First, let's look at the internal stakeholders, the board of directors. The board of directors plays a pivotal role responsible for allocating resources, approving investments, and ensuring digital initiatives align with the bank's long-term goals. The IT department is at the heart of the transformation, handling the implementation of digital infrastructure, ensuring cybersecurity, and managing technology integration. Frontline staff and branch employees are on the ground, interact with customers, while digital tools can be improved efficiently, and some may resist due to concerns about job displacement and adapting to new technology. Now moving to external stakeholders. The Central Bank of Sri Lanka plays a regulatory role setting policies related to digital transformation process. They provide protection of data. Their guidance is crucial for ensuring compliance with legal framework. Fintech companies present both opportunities and challenges. They bring innovative solutions such as AI and blockchain, but also pose competitive threats and require us to stay agile. Technology vendors supply essential infrastructure such as cloud services, cybersecurity tools. So we must manage risk related to vendor lock-in, data privacy, and the complexity of integration. Final external stakeholders are customers. Customers are the ultimate users of our digital services. Their trust and willingness to adopt new technology tools are essential for success. However, there is a digital literacy gap, especially between younger and tech-savvy users and older, more traditional customers. A strong education strategy and user-friendly interfaces are the vital for broader adoption. By understanding each stakeholder's role, impact, and expectations, we can align our goals and develop strategies that minimize resistance and ensure the overall success of digital transformation. Thank you.
Speaking of technology, what upgrades are essential for bank like commercial bank?
Yes, Tarushi. When we considering the technology and technology infrastructure recommendations, we should talking about the purpose of technology infrastructure that aligns with the organization's strategic goals. Understanding strategic goals carries a major part that involves sustainability initiatives, digital transformation, and customer-centric approach. Sustainability initiatives. Commercial Bank is committed to promoting sustainable growth by integrating environmental, social, and governance considerations into the operation. Recognizing the importance of technological advancement, see, Commercial Bank has invested significantly in IT infrastructure and enhanced customer experiences and operational efficiency. The bank has migrated over 335,000 existing customers to digital channels and launched initiative products like Flash Fan, Sri Lanka's first teen digital bank account to encourage financial independence among young customers. And Commercial Bank introduced Combank Digital offering a comprehensive range of services. Customer-centric approach. Commercial Bank has established a customer experiences unit decided to surpassing customers' experiences and forecasting loyalty through comprehensive services. As the next part of purpose of technology, infrastructure assessment of current infrastructure should consider. That means we have to what are we evaluate existing technology infrastructure, including hardware, software network, and cybersecurity measures. When we are talking about identify technological needs, that includes determine a specific technological requirements and industry standards. As the positioning solutions, this may include upgrading hardware, implementing new software systems, enhancing cybersecurity measures. As the next part, I am going to explain justification of the choices of technologies considering scalability, security, and interoperability. Core banking systems, cloud-based and API-driven. One of the fundamental elements of modern banking is a cloud-based core banking system. A hybrid or fully cloud-based allows banks to scale elasticity, ensuring that they can handle increasing customer transactions efficiency. This also reduces upfront infrastructure cost by following a pay-as-you-go model. Additionally, API-driven architecture enables banks to integrate seamlessly with third-party French services, digital wallet, and payment gateways. Digital banking and omnichannel experiences. Digital banking is involving a meet rising customer experiences. A microservices based on approaches enables continuous features upgrades such as AI chatbots and personalized finance tools without service disruptions. Cloud native development ensures smooth handling high transactions volumes, especially during peak times like salary payment days. Additionally, QR payment and digital wallets drive cashless transactions, supporting seamless payment while maintaining a sustainable and scalable banking infrastructure. Open banking and Finch collaborations. Open banking API gateway supports seamless integration with French partners, allowing faster adaptation of new banking services. Enable French finance and BNPL enables third-party financial services like loans, e-commerce payment to turn a bank infrastructure without increasing operational costs.
Sounds like a major shift, right? But how do you get everyone on board with such a change? Yes, some changes are mandatory. So we will be discussing about digital culture and change management plan for commercial banks of Ceylon. As the bank advances its digital transformation, a structured change management approach is crucial to address cultural shift and ensure seamless transition. Moving forward, these key aspects include fostering digital first mindsets and enhancing adaptabilities and preparing employees for technological advancement. So, leadership must play an active role in defining and communicating a clear digital vision to align with all the stakeholders. Additionally, cultivating a culture of innovation and collaboration will empower employees to embrace change and drive the bank's digital success. When discussing about key strategies for successful digital transformation, several strategies need to be implemented. First, empowering employees through targeted training such as AI, data analytics, and cybersecurity will guide them with the necessary skills. As well as leadership training is equally important to navigate digital change effectively. So, moving forward, appointing change championships within department will facilitate grassroots adoption. These championships act as mentors, provide real-time support, and ensure smooth communication between leadership and the staff. Finally, a digital culture should prioritize enhancing customer experience. Implementing data-driven personalization and improving digital banking touchpoint will not only streamline operations but also increase customer satisfaction and engagement. By following these strategies, commercial bank can lead in the evolving digital financial landscape. And with so much of data moving around, cybersecurity must be a big concern. So, how does commercial bank manage that?
Okay, now in the section of cybersecurity and risk management, I would like to give you a brief explanation about the potential risk and strategies to handle those risks. First of all, let's analyze about the possible threats in digitalization of commercial bank of Sri Lanka. The first major threat is the lack of security measures and unauthorized access. It means the accessibility has not much of security support system. As a result of this, The digital data and information can be illegally accessed and manipulated by the unauthorized person. Second one is the unstable internet connectivity. In Sri Lanka, it is the major problem that the internet coverage and connectivity is poor in the rural village areas. So the users in those areas faced many difficulties when accessing the digital data and unable to access consistently. Next one is the inability of the third-party providers to comply with the data regulations. There is a lack of understanding and cooperation among the third parties with the bank while following regulations. As a result of this, it is so hard for the bank to carry out their activities in the secure manner with lack of support from the third parties. Finally, the last vital challenge is the inexperience of employees in digitalization. The employees are unable to handle the server issues and execute the new technologies in digitalization. They don't know how to apply the new strategies and technologies whenever the cyber attacks happen. So this inexperience will be one of the major barriers to execute the digitalization initiative forward. So these are the mainly summarized threats in the digitalization of Commercial Bank of Sri Lanka. Now it is time for us to concentrate about the strategies to rectify the above mentioned risk. The first main strategy is the implementation of zero trust architecture and end-to-end encryption data access. By using zero trust architecture, whenever the user login, system will verify the login information again and again. It will increase the security of access. And by using end-to-end encryption data access, the login information and password of users will be kept confidently and it avoids unauthorized, logged and illegal actions. Second strategy is about the security of domain. Domain is the main backbone of the entire digitalization system, which requires high security measures in order to protect the domain from cyber attacks. We are coming up with privileged access management system as a suggestion. Next one is implementation of firewalls and intrusion prevention system. Firewalls and intrusion prevention system work like a wall which detect the false data manipulation and stops unauthorized data access. By implementing these, the authorization of data access can be restricted as much as possible and also helps to find the loophole and origin of the cyber attacks. Next one is the regular patching and updating of operating systems and softwares. New technologies and enhancement of software and system can be used when the system and softwares are frequently updated. As a result of the digitalization, actions become much easier to the user and the bank also. Next strategy comes up the data backup and recovery backup tools contains large storage capacity. By introducing and implementing large backup tools, most of digital data can be stored securely and even when there is system failure. We don't need to worry about these issues because the data can be recovered easily with the support of the backup tools. So this can help heavily in data management. Final strategy is about the sustainability of defense of digitalization. The security measures not only rectify the current issues but also should have a long run. which means the security measures should give result for a long time and continuously monitored in order to survive from the issues from future. So, there are the proposing strategies to control the digital threats in the technological world. By solving the loopholes and threats in digitalization, both the users and organization can carry out their activities and action protectively in healthy manner. Thank you.
Impressive. So, if the commercial bank nails this strategy, what's the future look like?
Right. So I'm pleased to present an overview of the digital transformation journey of the Commercial Bank of Ceylon and provide key recommendation for its future success. CBC has established itself as a leader in Sri Lankan banking industry, making significant strides in digital banking by implementing innovation solutions such as Compact Digital, Q+, AI-driven fraud detection, and mobile banking. While the bank has made impressive advancement, it continues to face challenges such as cybersecurity threats and workforce preparedness. However, CBC has successfully enhanced both customer satisfaction and operational efficiency through these digital platforms. Current digital maturity in terms of digital maturity level in Commercial Bank PLC is maturing level according to the Deloitte model and digital intents. So now let's move on the key recommendation that will strengthen the Commercial Bank of Ceylon digital transformations effort and ensure its continued leadership in Sri Lankan banking industry. As a first one, improving risk management and cybersecurity. Strength cybersecurity is crucial. CBC should implement multi-factor authentication, advancement biometric securities. As example, fingerprint, facial recognition for mobile banking, and additionally, blockchain technology can enhance transaction transparency and reduce fraud risk. Regularly, conducting cybersecurity audits, preparation threats, and the creation of a cyber incident response team will ensure CBC is prepared for involving threats. As a second one, adopting technology and enhancing digital infrastructure. CBC should adopt a cloud-based core banking system to achieve scalability, cost effectiveness, and real data processing. Expanding AI-driven services like chatbot and integrate big data analysis while improve customer service offer personalized banking. As a third one, I recommend increase custom adoption and digital literacy. To boost digital adoption, CBC should promote digital literacy, particularly among rural community and senior citizens. Initiating workshop and providing simplified multi-language guide will help to bridge that gap. Implementing voice assistant feature will also make banking more accessible. Offering incentives like cashback and lower transaction fee can encourage more customers to embrace digital banking. So as a fourth one, I recommend build a digital focused workforce culture. Commercial Bank of Ceylon must invest in continuous employee training in areas like data analysis, cybersecurity, and AI. Also design digital champion will drive innovation and collaboration across departments. A skilled workforce is essential for successful digital transformation journey. As a fifth one, I can recommend regulatory compliance and strategic alliance. Adhering to the Central Bank of Sri Lanka regulation is critical. CBC should explore public and private partnership to enhance financial inclusion and strengthen third-party vendor risk management to reduce outsourcing risk. As a final one, I can recommend promoting scalable and sustainable growth. CBC should invest in green banking solutions such as paperless transaction and digital loan processing to promote sustainability. Expanding digital services to the rural and small business market will also create a new growth opportunity. I'm confident that with these recommendations, CBC will well positioned for continuous success in digital transformational journey. Thank you.
So it's clear. Digital transformation is just not an upgrade for Commercial Bank PLC. It's complete reinvention of how banks serve Sri Lanka's business and individuals. The future isn't waiting, it's here. And Commercial Bank PLC is ready to lead the way. Thank you.